Hey guys, welcome to another report. So for this week, we have a very high performing video to the channel standards. So if we look at our analytics for the week, we have a big spike here. So we did have two published videos in the week. One is performing around the channel average, which is this one. Right, so the few hundreds of views, but then we have another one, which is this react to a song by Los Jaivas, which is performing way above average. So if we go into the analytics for this video, we'll see that in pretty much 3 days, it has gone over 3,000 views, so 3,245, 48 now. It has around 300 watch time hours, over 65 subscribers. So this video made me jump to over 100 subscribers. I was at around 35, I believe, before it, and now I'm at pretty much 120. So that is a very high performing video. If we look at lifetime metrics for the channel, so that we can understand how we are in relation to our monetization goals, we see that we're at 767 watch time hours. This is a bit there's a bit of latency in the data here. I believe that we are probably a bit over there. Over that, we're probably a bit over 800 hours, and we are over 100 subscribers, right? We're at 120. So if we remember the milestones that we need to achieve in order to monetize the channel, those are 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers. So we're at pretty much 10% of the subscriber goal and almost at 25% of the watch time hours goal. So great progress with this video. So now this was a hypothesis that I had, that if I could find videos to react to that already have a good amount of search related search and recommendations and audience already interested in those videos, those would take off. So that's what seems to be happening here. This was a suggestion from a viewer in another video, and then I checked that suggestion against YouTube search and that kind of stuff, and it made sense to actually record it, and well, it is paying off as we see. So this is the big learning of the week. It is to focus the reaction type of videos on songs and content that already have, let's say that already have traffic within the platform, which is kind of one of the reasons that most of the other ones have not gotten a lot of traffic. So we see that the best ones in terms of views are related to Deep Purple. Deep Purple is a very famous band that has a very big following. If we look at the other ones, like let's come over here, like Richie Kotzen, Kiko Loureiro, Black Country Communion, all these other ones, they're performing a lot worse than that one. They're in the few hundreds of views at most, because those are very niche. Those were new releases as well, so there's not a lot of established demand for them, which is the big difference here. So this one already has a lot of established demand. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for today's report. Thanks. See you next time.